Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update installation error code 0x80070020 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up and then select other troubleshooters on the right side. Underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and then the run button. And then hopefully that would have resolved the issue. Something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So now that we're back in Windows, I would suggest checking for updates, and then hopefully that error should have been resolved at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.